In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your very own Whop store page. This will be an exciting and fulfilling process, so let's dive right in. Setting up your Whop store page involves just a few straightforward steps, but it's important to pay attention to each one to ensure everything is set up correctly. First, we begin by opening Whop. Now, Whop is a versatile platform that offers a range of tools for managing your online store effectively. Once you have Whop open and ready, you'll want to direct your attention to the dashboard. Think of the dashboard as your control center, where you oversee all aspects of your store's operations. Click on Dashboard to proceed. The next step is to click on New Whop. This option is crucial because it will allow you to start the process of setting up your own store page on this dynamic platform. By clicking here, you're taking the first step toward creating a unique store that reflects your brand. Once you've selected New Whop, the next thing you'll need to do is click on Create Dashboard. This step is all about establishing your new workspace. This is where you'll manage everything related to your store, from inventory to customer interactions. Consider this the heart of your operations, and clicking on Create Dashboard is key to setting it all in motion. After selecting Create Dashboard, you're prompted to click Continue. This is a simple but important step as it confirms your actions and ensures you're proceeding in the right direction. It's kind of like a checkpoint, letting you know you're on the right path. Here's where you get to add your personal touch. Type the name of your shop in the provided field. Naming your shop is a significant step because it's how customers will recognize your brand. Choose a name that is memorable and representative of what you're offering. Once you've decided on the perfect name, type it in carefully. With your shop name in place, click. Continue one more time. This move brings you a step closer to realizing your vision for your store. This is the point where everything becomes official, so make sure everything looks good before proceeding. Once you've successfully gone through these steps, you will be able to access your Whop store page. This is where everything comes together. It's the online face of your brand, where